Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up for a chart on TradingView app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app on your PC, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the TradingView apps on the screen. And make sure you are already logged in as well. So once you do that, you can see there is a chart of this BTC USDT in here, which is basically a crypto. So to set up your Forex chart, you simply need to click on this BTC USDT sign in the screen. And once you do that, you can find lots of options in here. So stocks, funds, futures, Forex. So you need to click on this Forex. And let me first cancel this one. Okay, so you can see there is a lot of Forex option in here. So let's say I want to trade this one, so EURUSD, and yeah, you can see there is a chart of this Forex in here successfully. And this is how you can set up your Forex chart on TradingView app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.